ever say I wanted to be friends, and now the years have passed, you're far away, and suddenly I feel I'm not the same. Walls are breaking down, I think I'm cracking up. I look around and everything's too much, and the world's spinning much too fast. Well, I can hardly catch my breath, and I just hope that this will last. The world is slipping from my grasp. I'm looking round to find the girl I left behind. We're the best I never had. Remember when